Forget about cards, pins, and tags. Your face or palm is now the only key you need. Hi, I'm Vicky from NZTeco, official ZKTeco partner here in New Zealand. And this little device is about to change the way we manage access control and time and attendance. This is the SpeedPalm V5L, a contactless biometric system that scans your face or palm in under a second. No touching, no cheating, and
thank you.
No delays. Let's dive in. This system uses sophisticated infrared technology to scan palm veins, palm shape, and palm prints. It scans in under a second and supports up to 5,000 unique palms. Wet or dirty hands? No problem. It even works with slightly off-angle hands.
Thank you.
It also features facial recognition,
Thank you.
anti-spoofing measures, equipped with algorithms to detect fake videos or photos being used. If for some reason you don't want to use your face or palm, you have the option to use a card or passwords. This system is compatible with multiple ZKTeco platforms and can easily be integrated in most third-party systems such as payroll. And if that's not enough, it can also be used as a video intercom, further enhancing communication capabilities. Why is this a game changer? It's contactless, accurate, fast, scalable, and smart. From gyms to hospitals, construction sites to corporate offices, it's perfect for anywhere. And if you're in New Zealand, NZTeco is your go-to team for sales support and integration. Contact us today.